Stand clear of the closing doors! This video is one of my 10-chapter series exploring Las Vegas, focusing on public transportation, how it works, and why it's getting worse. Before we begin our ride, let me introduce myself. I'm Transit Nomad, a world traveler, business owner, music composer, filmmaker, and life coach on a mission to explore cities through the lens of public transportation. Please consider paying your fare by liking and subscribing or buying me a coffee using the link below. All aboard, let's go! Our next chapter is rolling stock, cleanliness, comfort, and safety. Las Vegas is one of the very few places in the United States where you can find double-decker buses servicing city routes. If you catch one of these, go up to the second floor and sit at the very front. You'll be able to enjoy an awesome city view, and it's going to be a fun experience. These buses are manufactured locally in Las Vegas by a UK-based company called Alexander Dennis. The buses are equipped with around 80 seats, reading lights, and adjustable air vents, which makes them a lot more comfortable than an average city bus. Huge thanks to those who made the decision to use these buses on city routes. The only problem that catches the eye is drivers checking for fares while using front door only boarding. This dramatically slows down busy bus routes to the point that sometimes walking is faster. If passengers were allowed to board using all doors and fare inspectors checked for fares instead of drivers, it would probably triple or quadruple the average bus speed, making the service a lot more efficient and attractive. Las Vegas used to have a lot more double-decker buses in the past, servicing many different city routes. Unfortunately, most of them have been retired, and it appears that only about 40 are left. The rest of the buses in Las Vegas are standard 40-foot or 12-meter buses, as well as longer 60-foot or 18-meter bandy buses manufactured by Canada-based New Flyer. There used to be another fun type of bandy buses called ride streetcar, but they appear to be gone now. Las Vegas bus fleet consists of approximately 400 vehicles that service 39 routes with 3,700 bus stops. As for cleanliness and safety, it's a mixed bag. Many riders are complaining about things getting worse in recent years. The buses are cleaned every night, but you must be prepared to share your space with all kinds of people. In conclusion, I'm going to give rolling stock, cleanliness, comfort, and safety 7 out of 10. Before we move on to the next chapter, I'd like to remind you that this video is one of 10 episodes that are released over time. And there is an easy way to get access to all my videos much earlier, with more exclusive content, my PDF travel guides, voting rights, live streams, and the ability to make new like-minded friends through a new, awesome private community that I created on Buy Me a Coffee. I also offer personal consulting for planning your next trip, improving your productivity, starting a new business, marketing, budgeting, video production, photography, communication, dating, and general well-being. Simply click on the link below or go to buymeacoffee.com/transitnomad to check out your options. I promise that every dollar you contribute will be spent on producing new content. I'm not going to waste it on coffee. Our next chapter is reliability, accountability, and customer service.